Bel Mariano is super flattered. Regine Velasquez loves her singing. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Bel Mariano can't believe who's become a fan of her singing, no other but Regine Velasquez. The 21-year-old shared how super flattered she is that Asia's songbird admires her vocal chops. Regine recently posted a clip of Bel's music video for her song Somber and Solemn, saying, "Wow, what a beautiful song and voice." Oh my gosh, actually nakita ko po yon 12 midnight. Bel told the media. Tumakbo po ako sa mom ko. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, pinost ni Ate Reg, hindi ako makapaniwala. Grabe, sobra, she's one of my inspiration when it comes to music. Bel added, grabe to be praised by Miss Regine. My gosh, thank you so much. Bel added that she and Regine had fostered a closer bond when they would see each other during Asap Natin 2 shows. She noted how approachable Regine is whenever she needs tips about performing and confidence on stage. Kunwari may performance kami together, oh my gosh, si Regine Velasquez ba naman makaka-perform mo? Siyempre, I'll advice from her na, Ate Reg, paano ba ito? Sa ganun naging close na po kami.